Welcome to the unboxing of the Vytronix EBCV6 stick vacuum cleaner. As you can see, I'm cutting open the box there. The first thing you notice is the instruction manual, which shows you most probably how to put it together and offers information about safety, etc. For whatever reason, my instruction manual had a little bit of a cut there. You get this, which looks like one of the stems. Here is another one to use the vacuum, I guess, in different lengths. This is the power supply. As you can see, I get the power supply that suits my region of the world. And let's have a look what's in this part here. That looks like the floor roller. It is indeed. So this is the floor roller. As you can see, very flexible neck there, and that plugs into the stem. What else do we have here? These look like alternative ends, so for cleaning furniture and cleaning around circles and stuff. And looks like there's a wall mount in there. I'm going to have them all opened up and we'll go through it slowly in a minute. Okay, this looks like the main unit itself. Just get that open. Yes, it did. Yep, that's the main unit. Okay, very handy, relatively light. I love the blue there, that's the switch. Okay, all right, let's just put the box aside. I think that's everything. Oh, hold on a minute, where's the battery? Let's have a look, where's the battery? There's got to be a battery somewhere. There it is. Okay, so there's the battery. Let's have a look at that. Okay, it's a nice little battery. Okay, standard sort of vacuum battery. Plugs into the main unit, has a charging port there. Let's see if it comes charged. Okay, fits nice and straightforward. Yes, indeed, it does come charged. Okay, let's switch that off. Now we're going to go through everything one by one so that we're clear what comes in the box. So that's the main unit with the battery there. Okay, this is one of the stems, which looks like the exact same unit as this, so they're probably interchangeable. Here is the power supply. I'll just open this up to show you what the alternative cleaning heads are. That's one of them for corners. There's another for cleaning furniture. Wall mount, as you can see there, probably comes with screws as well. There they are. And yeah, that's the floor roller unit. Very straightforward. And of course, that is the instruction manual. Very, very straightforward.